Oh, does the lug not want to come off?
No, I don't have the key. Oh. So I made a key.
Nice. Call the locksmith. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you can like and subscribe, that'd be a huge help. I just wanted to drop this reminder in the middle of the video. And also check out our website, studentdriverclub.com. We've got all kinds of cool die casts. We've got Pokemon cards. We've got tons of cool stuff that you can buy that helps support our shop, and it just helps us continue to grow. So, hit us up, let us know. All right, thanks.
It's not a professional thing I'm doing right now.
So you're basically just covering these guys so that it doesn't drip in. Nice.
Yeah, and then I'll go through and like scrub by hand all the little in between so it's not dangerous.
Nice.
Yeah, I just want like the power washer to not spray right inside of it.
That shit works.
Yeah. Yes. Turtle wax, wheel and tire. Unbelievable.
Dude, it is just eating through that.
Yeah. The blowtorch too.
That looks so much cleaner.
Yeah.
Great job on that. Damn, man.
Jet black before?
Yeah. Dude, this looks so fucking good.